What if you could earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single week using only a few apps on your smartphone? And what if I told you that I have found the holy grail of money-making apps that are working and still paying in 2022? And after testing them out, I discovered that they pay really well, as you can see here. This is what you're gonna earn from the first app alone. As I move the dial over here, you can see that your earnings are increasing per month. And you could potentially earn up to $600 per month with this one app alone. And this is an app that actually pays you to do absolutely nothing. Hello and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. The app that I will be showing you today makes you money in the background with all your devices based on how much data you're using. So yes, you can finally get paid to use your smartphone as much as you want. And this is the second app I will be showing you guys. As you can see right here, you could potentially earn over $50 passively to spend on whatever it is that you want. And this app does something I have not seen before on any money-making app. This app pays you to drive without texting on your smartphone. That is absolutely mind-blowing, right? You can get paid to not text while driving. A lot of people like to text while driving, which is quite dangerous, and this platform wants you to change that by encouraging you to drive safely and paying you to do so. You earn money per mile that you drive without texting, and that is 100% free money for you to go out and spend however you want. And the last app I'm going to show you in this video is the one right here. You can earn quite a lot of money with this one, also somewhere around $100 passively. And this one pays you for all the SMS that you send on your smartphone. So in essence, you're getting paid for something you could never make money from until now. And that's not all. All the apps we're talking about in this video are completely free to download. And all three of them are super easy to use. They require little to no work to get started. Now, who doesn't like sitting back and doing nothing while getting payment alerts from PayPal every day? Raise your hand. Yeah, that's what I thought. I know you can't wait to get your hands on this free money making app. But just before we get started, I want you to hit the like button because it helps me out a lot with this video. And of course, subscribe if you're new here so you won't miss any future videos. Now, on to the video. So the first app right here is called Repocket.com. It actually pays you for your unused internet, as it says right here. And what that means is that it's actually going to pay you to use your smartphone and use your data just like you already do. It's going to pay you depending on how much data you're using on your devices. What's good about this app is that you can connect as many devices as you want to the platform. And you get paid just like this in absolutely passive income just by having this app connected to your devices. Understanding how this app works is really easy. And they even give you a little demonstration down here to show you how much you can potentially earn by using this platform. Remember, the more devices you have connected, of course, the more money you can get. And the more data you share per day, the more money you could also make at the end of the day. So if you could spend about 10 gigabytes per day and use up to 10 devices connected, you will earn about 600 per month in total passive income. I think this is one of the highest paying apps that does this because I have reviewed quite a few apps in the past to actually pay you for this. But this one pays the most so far. And it is also just as easy to use as those other apps. You can get started by clicking this button that says Create Account. Now, it's going to take you over to the register page where you get to fill out your name and your details. As soon as you're done, you can easily download the app right here, install it on your mobile device, and start earning immediately. And you don't have to do anything else after that. They're going to take over and pay you money in the background as you share data to their platform. And because this video's theme is money making without doing anything, the next app we're gonna talk about is this one right here, which is called onmyway.com. This one actually pays you to drive without texting. Now, if you're fond of this habit, this website will definitely help you stop doing that as long as you continue to drive without touching your phone. You can even see down here how much other people have been making on the platform that are successfully driving without texting. They're definitely making quite some money here, and you could also earn just like this if you have this app installed on your device. It's available on the App Store and the Google Play Store, as you can see right here, but it only works in the United States at the moment. So if you are from any other location, this app might not work for you for now. But if you live in the US, then definitely go ahead and try out this one because it's a no-brainer to use a website like this. It might not pay as much as the other apps we just talked about, but passive income is passive income. And you might as well just take your free money, which this app is going to generate for you in the background. And that is what their payment scheme looks like. You get about $0.5 for every mile that you drive and don't text. It's kind of low, and I would recommend you guys to actually focus on making money with referrals. They actually pay you $2 in bonuses every time you sign someone up on their platform. So I think this is a better option rather than driving on your own and trying to make money that way. So go ahead and do this. The more friends you share your link to, the more money you can make. They can even have a cash out bonus here, which encourages you to sign up here. And you can cash out using gift cards, which you can go ahead and spend on whatever it is that you want. I really haven't seen any app that does this before, and it's really fascinating. This app is trying to make the world a safer place because not only does it teach you not to text and drive for your own safety and for the safety of others, you can also get paid to do the right thing. Getting started is really simple. All you have to do is scroll back to the top here and download the app on the App Store or on the Google Play Store. You can type there and complete your profile to start making money immediately, so you can cash out as soon as possible. The last app I'm going to show you guys is this one right here. It's called Simcash Io. It makes money from your unused SMS. Unfortunately, it only works on Android devices because you can download this only if you have an Android device. And basically, how it works is that it actually makes you money as you send SMS on your smartphone, just like you normally do. You never have to think about it, and all you have to do is to make sure that the app is set up on your device, and you can get paid weekly by using their app like it says right here. As soon as you have the app set up, you can relax, and the app will do the entire work for you in the background. I'm not really sure about the insides and how this whole thing works really, But it's basically this simple, so you don't have to worry about anything. They're also going to pay you weekly to your PayPal account or to your bank account as it says down here. They even pay in crypto if that's something that you're interested in. And just like the previous app I showed you guys before, you can also use this on many devices and make twice as much money as you would have made on your one device alone. It's also really easy to get started with this one. You can simply download the app straight on your phone right here and proceed to sign up for an account and set up the whole thing and start making money immediately. And if you're still watching this video, congratulations for making it to the end. I hope you learned something here, and I hope you will definitely try one of these apps starting today because it's a no-brainer, guys, to have these apps installed on your devices. They're gonna pay you out for doing absolutely nothing, and in my opinion, that is the best way to make money online in 2022. Alright, and that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.